All right, hopefully today is an easy repair. I noticed a couple things about my van. No hazard lights. I lost cruise control. And I can't shift out of park. So, can't shift out of park, right? So, to get past that, turn the vehicle off, turn the key to the hot position, and then I could put it in neutral and then start it up. So now I could move it, now I could move through the gears, but as soon as I go to park, now I can't. So I have to turn the vehicle off, hot position, neutral, and then start it up. There you go. And then, like I said, I have no signal, or I don't have hazard lights. So I went ahead and looked at the fuse diagram. Let's go ahead and take a look at it together. Okay, I have three problems. The easiest one to track down is no hazard lights. So here it is right here, hazards. 15 amp fuse, and that also affects the brake pressure switch. And then if your cruise control unit thinks you're always hitting the brakes, it'll never activate. So the brake could also affect how your transmission shifts out of park. So let's go ahead and try this fuse right here, this 15 amp. If you have a 97 or newer Econoline, your fuse box is going to be right here, right in the driver's side. So there's a fuse box, so all you have to do is pinch these two tabs and pull out the fuse box cover. So to remove this cover, you just pinch this and then it'll pull right out. And then there you go, fuse box is exposed. And then I always have spare fuses here. I should get a 30 amp. I don't have any 30 amps, but here's a fuse puller. And then according to the chart, it's right under that red one. I'll put an arrow for you guys which one it is. So let me hold this still. There's an arrow right here. If you're new to fuses, this is how to read a fuse. See that metal inside the little casing? See how it's not connected? That's a blown fuse. That's your electrical connection. So I'm gonna need another 15. So now when you look at it, see how it's attached like a U in there? So that's a good fuse. So good fuse and a bad fuse right there. Okay, fuse is replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a spare fuse in here. It's mostly 15 and 10s. I should get a 30. I have a 20 here. I should get a 30 amp fuse. So let me go ahead and put another 15 in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back in. Okay, that fuse was blown, so now this should work. Hazard lights, that's the first test. Right there. Hazard lights are back. Now the moment of truth. There you go. Now it's shifting out of park like it should. Last one, hopefully cruise control works. I'll be really happy if cruise control works because I use cruise control all the time. Cruise control is working again. This never had the indicator light since I've owned this van. The bulb's probably burnt out, but there you go. Cruise control is back. And I'm happy because I use cruise control all the time. I like to get the best gas mileage possible off of this V10 engine. And it's just relaxing to drive with cruise control. So here's the thing. If you get multiple problems at the exact same time, it's probably a fuse. 5 fuses is like $6, so a $1 fix potentially, and that always makes me happy when it's an easy, cheap fix. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. This channel is self-funded, and if you really appreciate this video and you love these Ford Econoline vans, check this playlist out right here. I do lifted van meets, and subscribe right there. Have a good one, guys.